The fourth industrial revolution is driving a new era of manufacturing with limitless opportunities for innovation. VKS provides a digital work instruction platform with real-time data connectivity that allows modern manufacturing companies to stay on the cutting edge. It's important for companies to ensure that the tools they use keep up with the evolution of the industry, that they stay connected with what's happening on the production floor, and that their operations and methodologies are standardized and traceable. VKS provides drag-and-drop tools to create digital work instructions with pictures and videos to help your company share knowledge and best practices. Our intuitive platform ensures that the steps are clear, the user is informed, and that progress is tracked in real time. VKS also provides easy-to-use tools to capture quality data that are as flexible as your company needs. From general process confirmations to capturing serial numbers, inspections, and more, our solution will allow your company to transition to a paperless environment with quality built directly into your processes. Taking advantage of the latest in IoT technology, VKS helps companies connect workers with their surrounding tools and equipment. From communicating with smart tools to automated test equipment, VKS will navigate your operators through the process and capture data directly from your equipment in real time. Our software reduces production line errors, increases efficiency, and delivers globally consistent quality within every industry sector. From aerospace to medical, electronics to automotive, process manufacturing, and more, VKS is built by manufacturers for manufacturers. Every company across the globe is looking for ways to stay innovative and upskill their workforce. Whether your company is looking to go digital with work instructions to enhance training or is ready to fully connect workers and processes, VKS module-based platform is designed to get you up and running in hours and scale with your company as its needs evolve. Get your digital transformation underway and contact us today at VKSapp.com.